My name's Harris, and I'm from Solihull. And I'm an accountant by profession, and I've been an accountant for 10 years, working for several different companies, and decided to take responsibility of my own journey and quit the job and do something useful with my life, and basically sparing some time for family.
You've been in the event today.
Yeah.
How was it? How did you find it?
It's an amazing event, 100%. If someone's not on the event, I would 100% recommend. In terms of information that's given in the event, and on top of that, the people you meet are it absolutely changes your mind, and it gives you the confidence that you need in order to take your mental state to a level where you can actually start something. So I think you can't put a price tag on the event.
Amazing. And tell me about Samuel. What's it like Samuel working with mentors?
Okay, with Samuel, I've been in touch with Sam. I've been looking at Samuel on YouTube for about 2 years now. So it took me quite a while to do my due diligence, and then I actually made the decision to come to his course, and it's absolutely worth it. Absolutely.
Amazing. And in terms of yourself, what kind of things are you looking to go into?
For me, it's quite unique. I'm basically looking to stick to anything that is cash flowing, like deal sourcing, selling deals, quick cash, rent to SAs. I'm not looking to build any sort of wealth because it's just my circumstances are different to several other people. So my focus would be to generating cash as soon as I can.
Amazing. And to anyone who is thinking about coming to the crash course, what would you say to them?
Say that again, sorry.
So someone who's thinking about coming to the crash course, what would you say to them?
I would say that if you have to come in. You have to see it for yourself. Even if I say 100 or 1,000 good things about the course, you'll take my word for it, but you wouldn't know what's the actual reality of being here. You can only feel it while you're here.